Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. We are going to be flipping through my February journals and planners. So here we go. I'm going to show you guys all of the things I did in February. So this is my bullet journal and it serves as a creative journal. This is my social media planner, my wellness, my meal planner, and my catch-all. I will go through all of these. I'm going to start with the bullet journal because it's probably one of my favorites. Okay, as always, my journal is my favorite. So this was January and this is February. So these stickers are from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. She makes these for the whole year, and I'm going to continue doing this kind of monthly thing here. So best memory from February, currently, couple main events here, and then so on. I set up my goals and then review. So 2 dates with Alec, yes, we did that. Pay bills, I didn't lose pounds, I gained them back. 2 dinners with friends, stay productive, me time, planner time, organize and declutter kitchen, that didn't happen, and read 7 books. I actually read 6, so pretty close. Look at these little Westies and the little Paris. And then I just used, I think this is from Live Love Posh. I'm not even sure. These are just clear pages, and I have some sticker here. Okay, so yeah, I just wrote daily, nothing too drastic. And then I made this Dutch door. These are Planet Derby stickers and flags and stuff, and I thought that was so much fun. So it was super cold. Obviously I write about my dog a lot. Super Bowl, productive, Valentine's Day. We actually did get a Valentine's gift for our dog, which was so cute. And then this was the Valentine's weekend. So these stickers are from Verse Planning. Yes, they are from Verse Planning, and I used some washi. And yeah, all of these except the dog are from Verse Planning, and I thought that was good. They wrote what a day. Yes, a little fun stuff. This is from LTL Print House. These are absolutely gorgeous. Another Dutch door. I am so in love with the spread, you guys. Like, the boxes and everything is just absolutely stunning. So not too many pages, actually, just a few. So that is turning out to be quite a good journal. I'm not limited to how much I can write. There's no boxes, so that's really, really good. Okay, and then this is March, and I'll show you guys this when the March is over. So I'm gonna put that back. And then we're gonna go into my social media. So this planner is actually called Tiny Florals, and it is the Simply layout. And I have combined that with the Live Love Posh. So these these stickers are from the Warm Color Tribe, and it's pink. And currently I track the top 4 videos of the month. This came out kind of different, kind of kludgy, but you know what? Not my favorite, but it works. This is Live Love Posh and Verse Planning. I tracked the videos that I posted for you guys. I love this girl. She is just so stylish. Super stylish. Can't help it. And then normally it would look like this, but then I use the Live Love Posh quads and then kind of map out my things to do. I do not film this planner outside of the flip throughs, but I do use it, and I love a decorated planner, so I decorate it anyway. Beautifully lined Live Love Posh, both of these. Look how gorgeous that sticker book is, like absolutely stunning. This is Romantic Florals from Planything. This one is beautifully lined from Live Love Posh because I can't help myself. This one I didn't fill out or do much in here, but this is from the Crafty Planner Queen. This was her $2 Tuesday, I believe. Yes. And I was obsessed with it, so I used it, and that's the end. And then we'll get into March. The March currently looks like this. Isn't that adorable? I love it. So that's my social media. Let's move into my wellness planner, which is actually very, very loved. So hello February, this is Whimsical Florals from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. I set some goals. Oh, and this is Doodlebug washi tape. So start working out 2 times a week. Didn't do that, but I did at least once a week, which was great. Meal prep to make life easier. Did that, you guys. Life changer. So I cook all the meals from Monday till Friday night and keep them in the fridge, and amazeballs. Eat homemade meals. We did that. Journal daily and go deep. Yes, I went some deep, but not too deep. Prep snack and increase protein. So I started working with a nutritionist, and I didn't realize that I'm only eating like 12 to 20 grams of protein a day, which is obviously not enough. I am such a veggie lover. I do not get enough protein. So I started working on that. This is Planet Darby, you guys. So I have to redate this planner every month, and I don't mind it because it's only one planner. I don't know if I could do this for all of them, but this turned out so gorgeous. Her stickers are just so fun to work with. This was not filmed. This is verse planning. It's a little bit more risque than I'm used to, but I wanted to do this for myself and kind of do the self-care. I think that worked out well. I added some quotes, and as always, I track my meds, my sleep, my mood, my steps, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, priorities, me. Have you told you that you love you lately? Self-care. You deserve the love you give others. And I thought that was good. And then I pulled the Happy Planner and just, I think it's the tiny sticker book. And I pulled out some hearts. The little pink bullet points are made with these zig pens, like these. So that seems to work out really well in this planner. This is also the versed planning. It is the Fashion and Floral 2 sticker book. Obviously super pink, super fun. I used the doodle bug up here, some tulips. These are 2 separate stickers that I put together. Just super fun. This girl is amazeballs. And then this week I used a couple things. So I used the Winter Florals from Planything, some washi tape, and some Narrative Hues tapes. And I think that worked out pretty well as well. As you can see, I've been tracking pretty consistently about all of my things, so that is pretty good. And this one is Planet Darby, and it's shoes basically, and I love them. So again, I took the 2 colors from the stickers and made that, and tracking the same thing. As you can see on the top, all of the dates are redated. And this is the currently for March. So I'm going to be setting some goals. So that is my wellness. Next up is my meal planner. So let's get into that. So I decorate this page, but I don't do anything with it. Yeah, I didn't even do that in January for some reason, but I thought that was kind of fun. This is the Romantic Florals and All You Need Is Love from Planything. I thought this turned out pretty well. Very different for sure. It's bright and spunky and fun. This is the meal planning planner. So it's called Cooking 101. So it does come with like recipe and ingredients and grocery lists. So what I did is, instead of using this for recipe ingredients, I use these for ideas for like breakfast, lunch, dinners and snacks. The snacks is probably the most important because when I don't know what to reach for, I will look into here for some healthier options versus reaching for chips like I do at work. This one is verse planning. It is from the Floral and Fashion 2 book. It is so cute, and then I added this pink washi. I think that turned out so good. And obviously my full week is here, so like protein shakes, eggs, chili, black bean soup, and so on. As you can see, I'm trying to increase my protein intake. This is Romantic Florals from Plentything. Not my favorite, you guys, but I think it did come out kind of cute. The Doodle Bug washi tape, I'm not sure if it's doing it's any favors right now, but it's done. So this is from Planet Darby, and this is three different sheets from her that I made. So all of these little headers are separate sheet. The keys and the locks are separate sheet, and the heart. And I kind of wanted to do like key to my heart type of deal. And I really like how it came out. I think these two are unexpected grouping that works. And this is my favorite spread of the month. It is a coffee spread. These are images from Etsy that I had for a long while now. I really do like it, and like the coffee beans, all of that. And I had a washi tape that was just brown with stripes, and I thought that worked really well too. But yes, I enjoyed that one. Don't forget to give yourself a break. Look how cute this is. Like, I love it. And the big coffee stains are amazing. Like, think about how humongous this mug would have to be. Oh, I'm already like thinking about wanting that. And this is Cozy Winter from Prosthetic Plants. I use this in here, like a little cabin with wellness. Look how cute these are. Like, she has like one of these full pages, so I just took it and like, I didn't even rip it. I took a cutter and just cut it and put it behind. And I think that worked out really well. I think this look is very like clean and beautiful. I even listed out ingredients that I need for this week. So that worked out. This is March currently, and this is from Crafty Planner Queen. So that was a fun one to create too. And then last but not least, my big boy. This is my catch-all. So we have my currently, which is Planet Darby, her Valentine stickers, and then these February currently I made myself. And let's see, I was reading The Perfect Marriage amongst other books. That book is so good, you guys, if you're into like suspense and stuff. Super, super good. Watching Love is Blind, I'm watching that with Alec and Toa, I guess, because he watches that too, which is funny. I'm listening to podcast Criminal and This Is Love. If you guys are fans, let me know. Phoebe Judge is the one who presents both of those podcasts, and like she is fantastic. So I love listening to her. Celebrating Valentine's Day, and we had a whole bunch of birthdays in February. Cooking and eating lots of grain bowls and soups because we had a cold month, then it turned hot, then cold again. So I was kind of making warm meals, working on stickers and storage. So I've been buying these smaller binders and combining all of my printable stickers that I have that I printed that are kind of in there for me to use. Home, I'm slowly starting to redo my office. I need a little bit more storage, and currently the shelf I have is not it's beautiful, but it's not necessarily the most storage convenient, so I'm working on that. So I'm going to redo some of this and kind of regain some of the space. And of course I added a Toa box. He's starting to be okay to be alone, so we have a camera in the house to watch him, and he's finally like okay to with his separation anxiety, which makes me happy. Okay, so LTL Print House, beautiful stickers. They're Valentine stickers. I love them. They're gorgeous. So all of this in here, except this box, I believe except this box came from their kits. Like, look how beautiful these designs are and these florals. They're so, like, whenever I see these florals, I know it's them. I'm obsessed. This is from them. Like, their stickers are fantastic. Okay. Then this is, I haven't used a Happy Planner sticker in a long time, so I decided to go back. So Blushing It and Teresa Collins, those are the two sticker books that I used. I think this came out pretty good. I think it's a little kludgy, but other than that, like, I love these stickers. In general, I think it's pretty good. Then this one is Planet Darby, and this is her Valentine stickers plus some lace hearts. Obviously, you can use them for more than Valentine's. I added some of these little scalloped boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans. I made a huge list for this week. I accomplished quite a bit. A lot of it is checked off, so that's good. At a hair appointment, I love having those. You had me at I love you, I wrote, so cute. The trick to anything is believe you can do it. I added some quotes, all you need is a little, and then I wrote love. So yeah, I played with some little quotes here and there. This is again LTL Print House. If you guys know their graphics, you can probably tell from far away. I love how clean this is, like, compared to these two, but it's just not feasible for me normally unless I don't have a super busy week. But other than that, I pretty much need to write things down as I'm doing them. It's not going to happen otherwise. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I combined their Valentine stickers with some of their signature stickers and these colored in boxes. I love how it came out. And then I put the reverse hearts here, like, and the washi is reversed, so then everything kind of matches. So that's my Valentine's week. Very simple. This one I love too. This one was a fun one to create. It's from Crafty Planner Queen. I had my CPR training, which I actually get the medical one, so that's kind of fun to do, and different. Let's see, filming day, birthday party, cleaning. Yeah, mostly cleaning, so not too much. And then this one, I don't even know where these sheets are from, you guys. I really don't. I only know that this girl is from Verse Planning. I didn't even do a video for this one because it came out kind of funky with all the colors. For me, it was too much. I used the outlines of the boxes. Like, it was really, really a lot. So I didn't check off half the stuff I did, as I can see now. But it was, yeah. Yeah, I finished the German Hares book. That was a good one too. So lots of fun things in here. Yeah. And then this is my March currently, and the March monthly is in the other planner. Anyway, I hope you guys had fun watching this. If you're not subscribed already, I would really appreciate if you would. It makes me happy when you guys are part of my life. And of course, let me know what you liked the most and what you didn't like. I am very, very boisterous about what I like about my spreads and what I don't. You might be different, but let me know, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for joining today. Bye.